Hello everyone, let's have a quick look at the charts. I'll add a few new pairs today. First, Bitcoin. The price did not drop back into the channel, so we can get rid of that. The ATMA has moved up to 27,480, let's say 27,500. So I will be adjusting my long entries accordingly. No changes to the stop loss nor the target. So just a little lower risk-reward ratio. We may be looking at a bull flag formation here. Still need a few more days if we can get a little more confirmation and the ATMA support holds. That would definitely be on the bullish side. On ETH has just scratched the top of our potential support region. Still waiting for an ATMA retest, which is currently at 1,873, give or take, which is also the top of our potential support area here. So similar to Bitcoin, it may be forming a bull flag here. So the retest of the ATMA will be what I will be looking for. AVAX is holding not as well as I was hoping it would. It dropped back under the ATMA, closed 2 days. Today is also not getting back above yet. So for now, as long as $14 doesn't get broken, it should get more of an upside. So arguably it's just retesting the top of this channel, but if price drops back in, I'll probably get out stopped out of my long. So waiting to see how this will develop. MATIC, since the run up to the high 90s, actually dropped back in the channel. Not the lower bear flag, but in this overall channel, it's currently on the top of our lower bear flag at around 90 cents. So still watching if it will drop further back in or if it can run up and flip 96 cents. XRP has been consolidating in this long price channel. Broke up into the upper quarter yesterday or the day before yesterday. I had a little short, got stopped out of that. So now I'm watching either for the top of the channel around 55-56 cents to get flipped, or a retest of 49. I'm not sure yet if I will enter a long here. I will have to see how price action behaves when it closes in on the 48-49 cents area. But one area I would be interested in longs is maybe around 46-45 cents now, which is where this move started. So if we get a retest of the scene of the crime, so to say, then I would be interested in taking maybe a little long there. I still have some long orders in the lower quarter of the channel, but until price gets there, it's not worth talking about. Fantom, let's put on the gal levels. So Fantom is closing in on a very interesting price channel. Fantom is closing in on a very interesting area for me between 30 cents and 45 and 31 cents and 53. So I am planning to enter a long in this area. We should get a technical bounce from here. It's a double horizontal pivotal potential support If price just keeps moving sideways and dips into the lower to 30 cents while on the trend line and this double horizontal potential support, I'm definitely gonna increase my position size, but for now just a small long in this region. My target is first of all this area, stop loss around below this pivot, so around 29 cents, 29.2, and my target would be 37 cents, give or take. Atom has been moving under this resistance channel for quite some while, and the base support coming in at around $10.30. Unless, let's see, yeah, unless it manages to break out of this resistance trend channel and flips 11.16, maybe 11.20. It's hard to get excited about Atom because this $10.30 support has been tested so many times now. I don't think it can take another test, so during the if it gets another retest, probably it will break bearish retest, and then price will drop further towards $9 or even a bit below that, 860 to 830. So I'm not touching Atom right now. I'll wait either for the break and confirmation of $11.20 support for a long, or the drop below 10.30 and then short towards $9 or $8. Lastly, Near is at a very interesting point in my opinion. It has been facing resistance at around 170, 165. Even if it breaks above 170 and flips, which would be bullish, you have this double trend line resistance coming in at around 176, 188. So which is also in sync with this whole horizontal resistance. So limited upside, but right now, as you can see, clear rejection. It is under the ATMA, so I've entered a short on this, targeting this pivot low here, which is at around 122, and having my stop loss just above 170 at around 172, 173. So I think this could play out over the next few days if Bitcoin corrects further, or even if Bitcoin doesn't correct. Near is definitely drawn to this level in its current position. That's all for today. See you again in the next update.